Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caro and we are back with the new video. So I just wanted to show you guys how to make this cute hair piece that I'm rocking right now. I really need to stop singing because it's not my thing. Okay guys, so I want to show you guys how I got this cute hair piece right here. So keep on watching, and if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe and share this video if you can. So yes, let's get right into it. I don't know if this is gonna make sense, but I'm gonna fold it and then I'm just gonna I'm gonna sew it across here so that it becomes like just this small piece right here. So it's just going to be like a small little stocking and not that long stocking, which is so unnecessary. So I don't even know if I should explain, but anyway, I'm just gonna explain for the first timers. So you're gonna grab the hook, put it through. When it comes through, you're just gonna put the hair in the hook, close it, and then just gonna pass it through. Remove the hook from the hair and then just gonna make one loop. Just once is enough. Okay, so I just wanted to explain how I did the front part, and I just make sure that the front part were not so separated, you know, that the gaps are not so big, so that you don't have when it's windy and your wig is flying about, then there's like this whole big gap of wig cap right in the middle. I don't like that look, so I made sure I fixed that by ensuring that I was putting the wigs very, very close to each other towards the front. But if you check the back, they're kind of like more spaced out. Okay, so with that said, now I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to attach the combs, and then tomorrow right before I go to work, I'm gonna comb my hair and we're gonna wear this piece to work. So yeah. This is what our hairpiece looks like. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Here are the combs. So if you see me not looking at the camera, that's because I'm looking at the mirror down here so that I can actually see what I'm doing. Okay. Alrighty. The moment of truth. So I went ahead and put my hair up in a high bun. I did this off camera last night before I went to sleep, and I slept with a scarf on my hair. I did not put any gel in my hair, I just put mousse because I'm doing my hair this weekend and I don't want to deal with having to wash out gel right now. So yeah, let's do this. I'm just gonna get the comb. Get the other comb and I think that's pretty secure now. And tell me guys, what do you think about this cute curly hairpiece that I made? Okay, so what you can do now is you can just give your hair some body and just trim off those ends that look rusty. Just make sure everything is all leveled and put together. So this is it guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to comment and like it. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.